Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use sort by function with filter. So if you want to learn how to use sort by function with filter in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see this is the table I want to sort. So first I want to sort in ascending order. Okay, this column in ascending order, and also only I want to include only student who has more than 60 numbers. Okay, so how to do it? Here I have uh, I want to use that function. So with the help of sort by and filter I can make this table. So you have to just click on equals to sort by. Okay, then bracket open. Now here you have to enter again filter. Okay, bracket open again. Now I want to include this array. You have to choose whole table, then comma. Now you have to choose this mark one. Okay, now I want to in this should be more than 60. Now just bracket close, again comma, again type filter. Okay, open. Now choose this table, comma, again this table. Okay, more than 60, bracket close, comma. Now I want to just arrange it in ascending order. Just click on one, bracket close. So like this you can use sort by function with filter. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.